Here is a wonderful 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This vehicle still has fewer than 150,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, fog lamps, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, locking limited slip differential, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. Work smart in the comfortable, connected Silverado 1500. Drive it today.